There's Reese riding on his bike. Takes it very serious. Doesn't take his hands off. Just rides along. Thinks he's so cool. Looks around. Checking everything out. Here comes his buddies in the truck. We're watching them pick up the palm leaves. Reese, keep your hands on. Keep your hands on. Here come your buddies. Here they come. Come your buddies in the truck. Here they come. There they go. They waved. They're all done work. Ready to go? Ready to go? Give me a smile. No? Okay, here we go. Ready?